Welcome, and the airdrop I'm about to show you in this particular video is an airdrop that can make for you between $50, $100 or above, depending on the particular people you're able to refer. A lot of us have given up on Telegram airdrop, but one thing I always tell people that are close to me or my mentee is that an airdrop that will pays you will never stress you. This airdrop is more of like just like the dog airdrop. If you understand the dog airdrop that we did last year on Telegram, you know the dog airdrop is all about referring and just participating in some other few tasks, and from there within less than a month the TGG came out and we are giving some certain tokens, the dogs tokens, for free. A lot of people make thousands of money from that particular drop. So also this Durov drop that just came out is as simple as ABC. What you just need to do is the description of this particular airdrop. I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video, so you can just click on it. We have less than 6 days now. We have 12 hours 52 minutes and the seconds are counting before this airdrop is over, and it all depends on the number of people you're able to bring. So if you're able to invite your friends, your neighbor, and if you have multiple SIM card, you can just open a lot of Telegram with that particular number and just refer yourself, so you could get a lot of this caps token. So it is called the Durov caps airdrop. What you just need to do is, after clicking on that particular link, it will bring you something to this particular place, and if you want to invite your friends, you just need to do this. You could see this place called invite. What you just need to do is just type on it. It will bring you down to this place. You could see, say, 5 tickets for inviting a friend, 15 tickets for inviting friends with Telegram Premium. So just need to do is, you going to when you want to copy your link, you just need to come to invite friends. So when you tap on this invite friend, you see your link. I could just copy it and just share it among your friends, either on Telegram, WhatsApp group, Facebook, and the likes. So another thing you can do is just tap on this tags, this particular tags section. You can just tap on it and just perform some simple tasks that are here. They are very simple, as easy as if they say share on stories for 50. Let me quickly share on story and I'll just claim 50. We'll click on get it. I'll share, so that has been done. Then the next one is subscribe to Telegram channel. I'll subscribe to their Telegram channel. You tap on join. So it's better you join as soon as possible. Start inviting your friends and your neighbor so you could get a lot of people. So I've done those particular two. Let me go back to the home page and let me see. You see, I have 150 now. 150. So a lot of friends that will be inviting, as soon as they join, the token will continue to increase. So it all depends on the number of friends that you're able to bring to this airdrop. That will be determined on the number of caps that you'll be getting. You to start inviting and start doing the due diligence before the TGD of the particular. So we might not know, this particular airdrop might become something big in the nearest future or at the time of listening. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification, and also subscribe to this our channel so that we could get fast to reach our 1000 subscribers. Thank you.